A powerful supercell storm swept through the Calgary region on Sunday evening, bringing strong winds, large hail, and heavy rain to the area. Favorable severe weather conditions on Sunday night triggered a number of intense thunderstorms across southern Alberta. Environment and Climate Change Canada, ECCC, issued a severe thunderstorm warning ahead of the storm's arrival, alerting residents to the potential for golf ball-sized hail and very strong wind gusts. No immediate reports of damage were received Sunday night. The severe thunderstorm warning for the city of Calgary has ended, though a rainfall warning remained in effect Sunday evening. Environment Canada stated that the thunderstorms developing in southern Alberta would evolve into a rain band expected to persist through Monday. The weather agency predicted rainfall amounts between 50 and 80 millimeters from Sunday night into Monday. Localized flooding in low-lying areas is possible, the warning stated. Be alert for the possibility of flash flooding near rivers, creeks, and culverts. A high of 14 degrees Celsius is forecast for Monday, with winds expected to reach speeds of 30 kilometers per hour by midday.
Oh my God.